What if I told you that one of the dangers facing Singaporeans today isn't a virus, but something that can fit into the palm of your hand? A silent addiction. Vaping. See, according to the Ministry of Health, over 1/3 of all vapers are under 18. This means that they don't exactly know why vaping is harmful to them and the effects that it has on their loved ones. So let me explain. You see, vape pods contain nicotine, and nicotine is a chemical that has various effects on the human body, ranging from nausea to even cancer. Recently, vaping has gotten even more deadly because it contains a drug called etomidate. Etomidate is a short and powerful anesthetic. It's used by doctors during surgeries, but it's usually given to patients only based on dosages calculated off their weight. Now, when a vapor inhales this etomidate through smoke or through aerosol, they're actually taking in the etomidate without any particular dosage. This causes the vapor to enter an almost zombie-like state where he or she has no control over their body. Often people get into vaping because of the peer pressure that they face at school, at the workplace, and even around their neighborhood. If you are faced with such a choice, then please, think logically. Is all the hype about vaping worth sacrificing your own life and bringing sorrow to your loved ones? Really think about it, because vaping doesn't make you look cool. Trust me, it's overcoming that addiction that really matters. The government of Singapore is taking drastic measures to ensure that everybody is educated about the effects of vaping, whether or not they are vapers. Currently, the government has announced strict penalties on those who are supplying etomidate-laced vapes. Also, vapers can face fines up to $2,000 and mandatory rehabilitation. However, you don't have to go through all of this. The government has organized a program called I Quit Vape. All you need to do is turn yourself in and let their organizations handle it for you. If you do so, then you won't face any fines and nothing will go into your permanent record. Trust me, this is the best way. You can just bring your vape and live your life worry-free. Remember, this isn't just about you, it's about your loved ones as well. So, whatever decision you make, keep them in your mind. As for friends or family, if you've noticed anyone in your close circle who is behaving unusually, shutting themselves out from the world, or even feeling dizzy and nauseous, then don't be afraid to reach out to the authorities. Remember, you're not just doing this for your loved ones, you're doing this for the entire future of Singapore. Because today's children and today's teens, they are the future of the Singapore that we dream. So, there's no time better than the present to quit vape. By choosing your health, by choosing support, and by choosing honesty, we together can build a Singapore that is safer and vape-free. A healthier Singapore starts from us. This is me, Samyukta Vijay, signing off.